Hello everybody. I am on a walk with my dog Max. Say hi, Max. He said hi in dog. But yes, and it is raining. You can't really see, but you can see a few of those little stripes that went across the screen just there. Rewind it if you didn't see. But it is raining. Take my word for it, trust me. And I am on a little journey with my dog here. Oh, he pulls and tugs a lot. It seems like he always likes going this way for whatever reason. Like there's I don't know. Oh, my bad. We either can go, it seems like we can either go, oh, excuse me, straight ahead from my house, or we could take that hard left and go over here near all the O'Reilly's Auto Parts and Fast Med Urgent Care. That's O'Reilly's Auto Part. Yes. Not seeing any lightning though, but there's the moon. Oh, moon. There we are. This dog is really fighting me. He always does that. And my dad works here. Yep. Drives those trucks. Delivers those parts. Oh, did I mention there was a Planet Fitness? It looks like some kind of like Great Awakening thing or something. I don't know. Oh, I'm being dragged. Yeah. Well, voluntarily anyway. Drug or dragged? I don't even know. Dragged. Somebody help my English. Okay. That moon. It's urgent care. Oh shoot, he's stuck at me again. Look at these clouds that are still out here. So yeah, I guess I can update you guys though on earlier when I did my video. Crap, that's not a good view. Let me try something else here. Oop, hold with me guys, there we are. So there was lightning. And it ended up being well, there wasn't a lot of lightning. It was just like a few flashes here and there. So, I don't know what it is. Look at that. I don't know what it is with this season, or this June. It keeps giving us these quasi-monsoonal like periods, little days and nights. But you can see in there. Yeah. Arm is getting tired if you couldn't tell. And if you didn't know, there's no parking. Well, actually I don't even know, but something about violators. Yeah, they had to close up for a little while though over here because of the pandemic. Of course, here in Arizona, we have the lighter end of the stick, but still they closed up for a while. Almost had to move out because they couldn't pay their rent. Or at least that's what I think almost happened, judging by that sign. But yeah. Okay, and I'm only doing this because I'm not in residential areas. I'm going like all the way around my east side of my block or whatnot, so it's a little bit more doable. Okay. Yes. And this is the darker side. So this is on the other side of this lot over here. This came from trees. It's still windy out here. I'd say it's about to give you the currents, I'd say right now it's about 76 degrees, maybe a little warmer. Probably about 76 to 82 degrees with a southeast wind at about 6 to 9 miles an hour. I don't know, maybe 10 miles an hour. Southeast. Mostly cloudy skies. And on and off light precip. Dew point last time I checked was 50 degrees. And this is really not good for my carpal tunnel holding this like this, but I have to get off here in a second. But yeah, dew point was 50 degrees last time I checked, and the humidity is probably up in the 50s as well. If not really, really close to the 60s, just because of the rain. But it is not any kind of moist here, though. This is very rare. This is like very rare. Let's just say that. So we don't. I think on June 5th, out of the 125 years of taking records, we've only had it once, or at least maybe not at all. But I'm not sure. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna have to stop because between this dog pulling my arms and me having to hold this up with one hand and my carpal tunnel, it's not going well. You know how that can be if you've had it before. Oop, got a good shot of the ground there. Okay, it's a 360. More than a 360. Oop, go around again. Okay, say bye, Max. Say bye. He says bye.